How to fix Windows could not start the EA anti-cheat service. Error 87. The parameter is incorrect. Hello friends. This error generally appears when trying to start the EA anti-cheat service or Javelin anti-cheat. This is a common issue with EA games such as Apex Legend, Battlefield, EAFC, and others. Follow those steps to fix it. The next method is turn off memory integrity. For this, click on Search, type Security, click on Windows Security, click on Device Security here, click on Core Isolation Details, and turn off memory integrity. Turn off this setting, then try to launch the game. If the issue still persists, you will have to run SFC and DISM command line tools. For this, click on Search, type CMD, click on Run as Administrator. After command prompt is open, go to the video description. In the video description, you will find these commands. Copy the first line of command, paste into the command prompt, and press enter. Wait until it is 100% completed. Once done, copy this command, DISM restore health, paste into the command prompt, and hit enter. Once completed, close the command prompt, close the other running tasks, and restart your computer. Then check if the issue is fixed. The next method is reinstall EA app. For this, we would suggest to uninstall EA app using Revo uninstaller. This uninstaller delete the leftovers and registry entries related to the application. For this, you can download and install Revo uninstaller. Go to browser and type Revo. Select Revo uninstaller. Click on free download. Click on free download here. Click on the setup file from here and follow the on-screen instructions. A desktop shortcut will be created of Revo uninstaller. Open the installer. Look for EA app in this list. This one. Right click on this app and select uninstall. Click on continue because the EA app is running. So open it and close the EA app and click on scan. For leftover registry items, click on select all and click on delete. Click on yes. For leftover files and folders, click on select all, click on delete. Yes, the EA app is completely deleted, including the leftovers. Close the Revo uninstaller. Then restart your computer. Launch a browser. Type EA app and press enter. Click on this link. Click on download the EA app button. Click on Windows. Once downloading is completed, click on the exe file and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Repair the game file. For this, go to the EA application and click on the game from here, which is causing the issue. Click on Manage and select Repair. Once completed, open the game and try to play it. Delete and re-register the EAAntiCheat service. For this, click on Search, type Services, click on Services, look for EAAntiCheat Service, this one, Right click on the service, select properties, copy the service name from here and close the properties window. Now launch the command prompt, click on search, type CMD, right click on command prompt, select run as administrator, click on yes, go to the video description. In the video description, you will find these commands. Run these commands one by one, but EAAntiCheat service name is what we have copied the service name from services window, paste here and match the name if they are identical. Once confirmed that the service name is correct, copy the first command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Then copy the second command, paste into the command prompt and press enter. The service is deleted. Now close the windows and restart your computer. Then launch the EA app. This will again create a fresh service automatically. The next method is run the EA app using administrator privilege. Right click on the desktop shortcut of the app, select run as administrator and check if it works. If the issue still persists, you can right click on the EA app shortcut on the desktop, select properties, click on compatibility, check the box for run this program as an administrator, click on apply, click on OK, and then launch the app. The next method is exploit protection. Go to the security app, click on start, click on settings, go to privacy and security, Windows security, app and browser control, click on the link exploit protection settings, click on program settings, click on the plus icon, select choose exact file path, go to C drive, program files, EA, open the AC folder and select this option. Click on open, override system settings and click on apply. Again click on plus, choose exact file path. This time go to this PC, C drive, program files, electronic arts, double click on EA desktop, again double click on EA desktop, select EALauncher.exe and click on open. Check this box and click on apply. If the issue is still not solved, then clean boot your Windows. For this, click on search, type msconfig, click on system configuration, go to the services tab, check this box which says hide all Microsoft services, click on disable all. Now go to the startup tab, click on open task manager, make sure that all the programs are disabled at startup. If anyone is enabled, disable it. Suppose Roblox player Vita is enabled, disable this program. Right click and disable. All the programs are disabled in the status column. Close the task manager and click on apply. Click on OK. Restart your computer. Click on restart and then check if the issue is solved. The problem should be solved now. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching the video.